Welcome to the online education platform of Sri Academy. Hello everyone, good morning. It is the lecture for class 8th. Student, before someday I taught you about number system, factor multiple, rational number. Means there are so many type of number which I wish told by me. And today I want to teach you chapter 1, class 8th chapter 1. Chapter name is rational number. Rational number. So at first I want to define what is rational number. A rational number is a number that can be expressed as a fraction or in the form of ratio, means in the form of a by b, where a and b are integer and b does not equal to 0. मीन्स रैशनल नंबर को हम फ्रैक्शन में शो करते हैं या इसको रेशियो फॉर्म में भी होती है. फ्रैक्शन मीन्स एज ए पार्ट ऑफ होल मीन्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए बाई बी. लेकिन देयर इज अ वन कंडीशन कि ए एंड बी आर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इंटीजर बट द वैल्यू डज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. सो दैट वेरी नंबर इज कॉल्ड रैशनल नंबर. एंड for example 1 by 8, 1 by 2, 8, 5 by 3, under root 4, 7 whole 1 by 9, minus 12, 6.25, 0.311 infinite. Okay, means when a rational number fraction is divided to form a decimal value, it becomes a terminating or repeating decimal. means जब रैशनल नंबर को हम डिवाइड करते हैं उसके डिनोमिनेटर से न्यूमरेटर को, तो उसका आंसर डेसिमल में आती है. बट वह टू कंडीशन में होती है, या तो टर्मिनेटिंग आ जाती है मीन्स एंडिंग, या फिर रिपीटिंग डेसिमल आ जाती है मीन्स नॉन एंडिंग, जिसका एंड नहीं होता. सपोज दैट 2 by 5 कैन बी रिप्रेजेंटेड एज 2 divided by 5. ओके, 5 divided by 2. ओके, तो 5 you does not divisible by 5. तो 5 means at first you place a point, after that you increase 0. तो 5 4 is 20 means 0.4, which is terminating decimal because its value is clear. But when you see 1 by 3 can be represented at 1, 3 means 3 does not divisible by 1. So as you place 0 point, after that you place 0 means which is repeating decimal, which end has not, जिसका एंड ही कोई नहीं है. आफ्टर दैट आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू कि ए नंबर ऑफ द फॉर्म p by q where p and q are integer and the value of q means the value of denominator does not equal to 0. Suppose that here a number line and you can see very easily कि the right side of the 0 it is indicating plus and left side of 0 indicating by minus, negative. Okay, means positive and negative. After that 0 1 1 2 3 2 3. Okay, and we are we have to show so many examples ki what is number where that number will be placed. And next I will tell you ki property or operation of rational number. So before someday I told you some properties of rational number. Suppose that ki closure property of rational number, commutative, associative and distributive. Means it is the value of addition ki a plus b is equal to q. Okay, after that you can understand by this chart. Next I want to, before without killing our time, I want, let's start our chapter 1. Name is rational number. So student, question number 1. This is the date of 2/5/20 means 2 May 2020. Chapter 8, class 8, chapter 1. Name is rational number. Exercise 1A. Question is that कि express -3/5 as a rational number with denominator 20. मीन्स आप एक्सप्रेस करो -3/5 को एक रैशनल नंबर के रूप में जिसका डिनोमिनेटर 5 की जगह 20 कन्वर्ट हो जाए. तो एट फर्स्ट यू राइट 20. what is the and after that you see the denominator of given number -3/5. what is the denominator? 5. So you know very well कि in the table of 5 you will when you will find 20, तो 4 जा means 5 4 जा 20. okay, that's clear कि when we will multiply this number by 4 then that will be converted into 20. means after that you multiplying numerator and denominator by 4. मीन्स आप न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई 4 कर दीजिए, योर आंसर आ जाएगी. जैसे -3/5 मल्टीप्लाई 4 तो 3 4 जा 12 -12/5 4 जा 20. ओके, कंडीशन इज क्लियर. सेकेंड इज -30. तो एट फर्स्ट यू राइट योर फ्रैक्शन -3/4 तो 3/5. when you will find कि 5 at -30 तो मल्टीप्लाई -6 जा -6 का मल्टीप्लाई तो 5 मल्टीप्लाई -6 इक्वल टू 30. मीन्स व्हाट डू यू फाइंड? आप ये पाते हो कि मल्टीप्लाइंग बाई 6 मल्टीप्लाइंग बाई -6 इन न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर दोनों में -6 का मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. जैसे -3 मल्टीप्लाई -6 5 मल्टीप्लाई -6 तो 6 3 जा 18 माइनस माइनस प्लस 18/5 6 जा 30 प्लस माइनस माइनस 18/-30. नेक्स्ट इज दैट क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड. एक्सप्रेस -42 एज ए रैशनल नंबर विथ डिनोमिनेटर 7. मीन्स -42/98 एज ए रैशनल नंबर विथ डिनोमिनेटर 7. At first you see the denominator of given fraction 98. You convert into 7. How will you find? So it's clear कि when I will divide this number into by any number, then that answer will be 7. तो 98 means 98. What number when we will divide the answer will be 7? तो 14 7 जा 98. So dividing the numerator and denominator by 14. Okay, means -42/98 divided by 14 divided by 14. Answer will be 14 3 जा 42 means -3/14 7 जा 98 -3/7. Condition is clear. Okay, all of you understand? Next question number third. Express into standard form. Standard form, what do you mean by standard form? Standard form means lowest term. तो -12/30. तो एट फर्स्ट यू फाइंड HCF ऑफ 12 and 30 मीन्स हाइएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर ऑफ 12 and 30. तो यू विल फाइंड 6 बिकॉज 6 इज ए कॉमन टेबल विच कैन डिविजिबल बाई 12 and 30. तो डिवाइडिंग न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाई 6 मीन्स -12 डिवाइडेड बाई 6 30 डिवाइडेड बाई 6 6 2 जा 12 -2/6 5 जा 30/5 means -2/5. After that second -14/49. तो HCF of 14 and 49 equal to 7 because 14 and 49 will divisible by 7 exactly. Means dividing the numerator and the denominator by 7 means -14/49 divided by 7 divided by 7. 7 2s are 14 means -2/7. Okay. Next question ki fill in the blanks by is greater, is less or is equal to. Means -3/7 or 6/-30. Means question is saying ki which fraction is greater, -3/7 or 6/-13. तो at first you take the LCM of 7 and 13. आप 7 और 13 का LCM ले लो because I am going to convert it into the like term. अगर like term में convert कर लेंगे तो it is very simple, बहुत simple हो जाएगा. जैसे -3/7 multiple 13 because 13 7 जा 91 multiple 13 means and in the other side 7 जा means 13 7 जा 91. तो -13 6 multiple 7 by minus 13 multiple 7. After that answer, to minus 39 by 91, in other side 42 by minus 91. Then you will tell me which number is smaller and which number is greater. So it's clear कि minus 39 by 91 is less than 42 by minus 91. Okay, because 42 is positive and minus 39 is negative. So you know कि positive sign is always greater than negative sign. So answer minus 3 by 7 is greater than 6 by minus 13. Okay student. Next I am going to homework, because you complete this homework into your copy. Express minus 3 by 5 as denominator 35 and minus 40. Third question, express minus 48 by 60 as a rational number with denominator 5. Question number 4, express into standard form minus 24 by minus 64 and second minus 36 by minus 63. Question number 5, define rational number with example. Okay student, thank you and have a very wonderful day.